it's Presley at ActOutGames.com here, and today I'm going to be doing a review of Math Ninja and Dragon Box. I'm going to start with Math Ninja. So, Math Ninja is a game where you're a ninja and there's an evil tomato that's sending evil cats and dog robots things after you. And that is pretty entertaining. It's tower defense, and I love tower defense so much. I love tower defense. And then you just randomly have to do math out of nowhere, which makes it eat your peas. Which is, okay, now you have an entertaining game, now do some school. And then there's, so that makes it 4 out of 10 stars, or paws, or whatever. And then we have Dragon Box. We have Dragon Box. We're going to go into algebra. And this is an edu-candy type of game. Edu-candy it's a fun game and it teaches. So, there's avatars. You start by creating your profile. You name yourself and your avatars. And it's just for a save system. It's not that important, so I'm not going to be talking about that. I'm going to be talking about the actual game. So you have these little monsters in a box. And you want to get the box alone on its one side. So you can put monsters together and you can do like minus, like there's a night monster and a normal monster, and you put the night monster and the normal monster together, and they cancel each other out. And the also objective is to get as little as you can on on the two sides, and that makes it really fun. This one is 10 out of 10 paws or stars because it's just so fun. It's a fun game, and it's really nice to play. And it teaches you the basics of algebra. And I haven't even finished the game. We've only played 1 or 2 levels of each game, so we haven't done the whole thing, and we're excited to see if it turns better, less eat your peas, or more edu-candy or something. It's just. And the good thing about it is it's actually challenging. It's not like super easy. Like like Math Ninja is kind of easy. Like it's what is 2 plus 2. But with Dragon Box, it's kind of challenging. It's like you have to try and figure out in limited moves. Well, not limited moves, but to get 3 stars, you need that many moves, and you need just the right amount of numbers on one side to get 3 stars, and you need 3 things. I don't remember what the other thing is. Do you remember?
You have to get the box by itself.
Yeah.
Minimum number of cards and minimum number of moves.
Yes.
I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I don't think you can even complete the level without being here.
Simplify everything. Yeah, right.
Yeah.
But yeah, so Dragon Box is really cool because it teaches all the algebra concepts.
But check out both of them.
Without using any...
Just in case you don't mind.
Without using any numbers.
Yeah.
You learn a lot of algebra stuff, right?
Yeah, and it's not like Math Ninja, you can just be like, oop, and go to calculator, and like, what is this?
And Math Ninja is good if you want to just practice your arithmetic.
Yes,
right?
if you
it's
want
better than just having a sheet of paper with a bunch of math problems on it.
Yeah.
Because at least you're playing the game, right? But I'm not a big fan of just drilling arithmetic.
Yeah.
Because you get to drill your arithmetic when you're learning algebra, too. You get to practice it. And I would rather you be practicing your arithmetic while you're doing bigger problems than just a bunch of random problems thrown at you with no context in a game.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's the review of 2.
So we did 4 stars for Math Ninja.
Yeah.
And 10 out of 10 for Dragon Box.
Dragon Box was really good. So, yeah, expect a lot of more of these in the future, because they're to kind of get ready for the con and get my opinions straight. And they're also just here so you know what kind of games are out there that are good, and what kind of games are out there that you should try and avoid. Or if they're mixed feelings, you could maybe get them, but there's other things, kind of like Math. So, yeah, see you tomorrow. Bye.